So your third topic, ion selective electrode. As this is the type of ion selective electrode. First, solid state membrane electrode. Second, liquid membrane electrode. Third, gas sensing electrode. Enzyme based electrode, and ion selective field effect transistor electrode. These are the type of ion selective electrode. And solid state membrane electrode, there are two types. Glass solid state ion selective glass electrode and non-glass electrode. So solid state membrane electrode is divided into two types: ion selective glass electrode, and second is the non-glass electrode. So in ion selective glass electrode, like this is the one of the type of ion selective glass electrode. So in ion selective glass electrode, we measure hydronium ion concentration, sodium ion concentration, potassium ion, NH4 ion, and silver ion concentration. These are the available of ion selective glass electrode. So in ion selective glass electrode, this is the ion selective glass electrode. We measure the pH electrode. We measure the pH by this electrode. So as we see, this is the glass electrode. So for the membrane of glass, the composition of membrane of glass, तर हा जर जो pH इलेक्ट्रोड आपण मेजर करतो, pH मेजर करतो, त्याचे जे मेम्ब्रेनचं जे कंपोजिशन आहे या बल्बचं, ते कंपोजिशन आज पाहणार आहे. So the main glass composition of that membrane, when we use a small membrane, there is a if we use SiO2 72%, Na2O 22%, and CaO 6%. So this is the general glass composition. General glass composition. So this glass we use pH range up to 1 to 9. So for pH 12, for measuring pH 12, we found the error in the general composition. So we add the lithium for the detection of hydronium ion. So for the glass composition, to avoid the error for hydronium ion, or to measure the pH. What definition of pH is the minus logarithm of concentration of hydronium ions. So in pH we measure the concentration of hydronium ion. So the composition of pH electrode is Li2O 28%, CsO 2%, barium oxide 0 to 4%, titanium oxide 3%, SiO2 . This is the composition of the hydronium ion. SiO2 is the 63%. So the glass made up of by this composition for hydronium ion and for lithium ion. So for this composition, those glass only select the activity of only hydronium ion concentration. This glass doesn't to check the other ion concentration. So for lithium, for checking lithium, we use this type of percentage. Here is lithium 15%, Al2O3 25%, SiO2 60% for use of lithium ion concentration. So for sodium and silver ion concentration, we use Na2O 11%, Al2O3 18%, SiO2 71%. This is we detect the sodium and Ag ions in the given solution, or we detect the concentration as well as activity of the solutions. So for detect potassium ions, we use Na2O 27%, Al2O3 5%, SiO2 68% for measuring the potassium ion concentration. तर जनरली जे कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह जे एक्झाम्स आहेत नेट सेट किंवा गेट, तर त्या एक्झाम मध्ये असा क्वेश्चन विचारू शकतो की व्हॉट इज द कंपोजिशन ऑफ हायड्रोनियम आयन in that glass, or use the questions like in lithium ion electrode, write the composition of lithium oxide in that glass. किंवा असा एक क्वेश्चन विचारू शकतो, जर तुम्हाला पोटॅशियम आयन डिटेक्ट करायचं असेल तर which composition glass would you use for detection of the potassium ions? So this is a very important composition of glass. So here we have now finished the ion selective glass electrode. So for using the hydrogen ion, lithium ion, potassium ions. Next we will see the working of glass electrode, or how measures the ions in the electrode. So as we earlier said, the solution it contains H positive ions. For here we see the glass electrode, generally for measuring the pH. In the solution we measure the hydrogen ion concentration. Hydrogen ion concentration. So hydrogen ion present in the solution. It is the glass membrane, composition of the glass membrane. So in the bulb there is a formation of hydrated gel layer. So here the formation of hydrated gel layer. The original thickness of the bulb is only 0.5 mm. So when combine the positive ions to the composition of the glass, the formation of hydrated gel layer. So this layer is the 5 to 100 mm thickness gel layer form, 50 to 100 mm thickness. So this process is a reversible process. After some time, the positive ions goes down to a solution. So when we dip this electrode, when we dip this glass electrode in the solution, there is a increase the size of this glass layer. So the hydrated gel layer formation. Original the size of thickness of the size is 0.5. So after receiving the outer hydronium ion to the glass composition, the layer is 50 to 100 mm thickness. So this is the general diagram of pH electrode. In general, the pH electrode we use the two electrode. That is one is the internal reference electrode and another is the external electrode. Internal electrode and reference electrode. These are the two electrodes we use in glass electrode. So here we see the internal AgAgCl as the internal electrode. This is the combined glass electrode. If we use separate glass electrode, we use the one is the calorimeter as a reference electrode and one is the internal electrode. Two electrodes we dip in the solution, then we measure the pH. But in modern, the two electrodes in combined form. This is the combined glass electrode. Generally, we use this glass electrode. This is the combined glass electrode. In combined glass electrode, the two electrode is immersed in the same glass. Here we see the two electrode. One here the bottom electrode and one is the circulated electrode. The two electrode is combined in the one glass membrane. This is the combined glass. So in two electrode, one electrode is the internal electrode, it is the AgAgCl electrode, and another is the external of the reference electrode. So in internal there is present 0.1 normal standard SCl solutions, and here it is present KCl solution as the aqueous KCl solution. That is formation of the potential developed. So when we dip this electrode in the solution, in the analyte solution, there is a hydronium ion from solution is bounded on ion exchange with the membrane of the electrode. So here is the solon the bulb. जेव्हा हायड्रोनियम आयन्स त्या इलेक्ट्रोड्सच्या भोवती जमा होईल ते हायड्रोनियम आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन, तर ही जे ओरिजिनल तो जो ग्लास आहे तो ओरिजिनल ग्लासची थिकनेस समजा 5.5 mm असेल, पण पुन्हा जर हायड्रोनियम आयन्स त्याच्यामध्ये डिपॉझिट झाल्यानंतर त्याची जी अशी बाउंड्री फॉर्म होईल हायड्रोनियम आयन्सची. हे कोणते हायड्रोनियम आयन? आपले एनालाइट सोल्युशन मधले हायड्रोनियम आयन त्या ग्लास त्या बल्बच्या कंपोजिशन मध्ये गेले. आणि इथे काय आपले इंटरनल एससीएफ सोल्युशन आहे. इंटरनल सोल्युशनचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आपल्याला माहिती आहे 0.1 नॉर्मल एससीएफ. जर हे 0.1 नॉर्मल एससीएल चे हायड्रोनियम आयन जर सेम बाहेर एक्सटर्नल असेल, हे जेव्हाही दोन हायड्रोनियम आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन होईल इथे हायड्रोनियम आयन आहे का, दॅट इज द एक्सटर्नल, आणि इथे एक हायड्रोनियम आयन आहे 0.1 नॉर्मल, इट इज द इंटरनल. हे दोन्ही लेयर जेव्हा इक्वल होईल तर जेव्हा आपल्याला पीएच काय मिळेल, दॅट इज द वी मेजर द पीएच एट द 7. Suppose at inner side there is the 4 numbers of hydrogen in internal side, and here if here present only 4 numbers of hydronium ion, then we get the pH is neutral, 7. That is the equal. 4 hydronium ion internal, 4 hydronium ion external. If here in the pH is 7, if the same number of hydronium ion. If we found the 8 number of hydronium ion in external and internal it is the 4 hydronium ion. External it is the 8 hydronium ion. So if here we find the pH is acidic. If the hydronium ion is external is the less than internal hydronium ion. Suppose one hydronium ion is external. So we found the pH it is the basic. So when we measure the pH, here we compare the concentration of inner glass electrode to outer electrode. So here is the main general reaction of that electrode. AgCl, that is the outer reference electrode. H positive ions, glass electrode outside the analyte solutions, and it is the glass membrane. It is the porous glass membrane, and it is the H positive ions inside the H positive ions. AgCl ions is the inner reference electrode. So, and this we measure the pH. So, this is the general working of glass electrode or measurement of the pH. So, for potential development by using the Nernst equation, we measure the concentration of the ions.